My name is Ollie. I'm the manager down at Double Deuce Lounge in Sydney, Australia. I made a little blue blazer, but using Bushmills Black Bush in place of the Scotch whiskey that you would normally find. So we used Black Bush, a little bit of sugar syrup, some bitters, a little coin of lemon zest, and then we added some fire. The blue blazer is the old Jerry Thomas number. Jerry Thomas was quite the showman, and it's a pretty showy drink and technique to use. I would advise definitely first practice with water until you get your technique down. You can also start using your dominant hand to pour higher first and just gently pouring back with your non-dominant hand, and then as you get more confident, you can start throwing with both hands. So make sure that, first of all, you've got a fire extinguisher at hand just in case things go wrong. When you're blazing something, you always want to keep the liquids far away from your body, and you also always want to do it well away from the ice well or the bar top, so that if you do spill something, it just goes straight on the bar floor and harmlessly goes out rather than hitting any flammable booze or flammable people.